Welcome back, anglers. Today, we're tackling an all-too-common issue for those fishing in saltwater environments: salt buildup on the line holder of a reel spool. This salt buildup can prevent the line from properly holding onto the clip, affecting your fishing experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the cleaning process. Notice how there's a heavy buildup of salt on the line clip in this spool. As you can see, it does not hold the line anymore. Actually, I have two line clips here. One that's working normally and one that's faulty. You'll be able to see the difference between them. With the normal clip, a gentle push from the inside lets it pop off easily. However, the faulty clip stays stuck in place. To start, we'll use fresh water to loosen up the salt around the line holder. This water will help release any buildup and make it easier to remove. Once the area is dampened, we'll gently pull on the steel wire to release the line clip. This will give us better access for a deeper clean. Be sure to do this gently to avoid damaging the steel wire. Carefully detach the clip from its position to give it a thorough cleaning. Now, it's time for the detail work. Using a precision tool, we'll carefully scrape away any salt deposits. Soap sweat droplets after that. We'll use a damp tissue to wipe down the spool area and the steel wire thoroughly. This will ensure no salt remains in any hidden crevices, keeping the clip in top shape. Once everything's clean, we'll reassemble the clip and test it out. Let's see if that line now holds tightly in place. With regular maintenance like this, you'll keep your reel in excellent condition and ready for your next adventure. Now that the clip is reattached and everything's back in place, let's test it out. Fishing pole: the line now holds securely, and the clip moves smoothly, just like it should. Regular cleaning like this helps prevent salt buildup and keeps your reel functioning perfectly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fishing maintenance tips. Tight lines and happy fishing.